to see you again because I was in the Eurovision Song Contest as well. So, and how you feel to be here and sing with our icon Laima together on stage?
And it was such a wholesome experience. She picked the song, and I went with it, and it was very cute. I loved performing here. It's gonna be next March and April. We're also coming to Latvia. We're going to Lithuania as well. Like it's gonna be a great show. I'm really excited. I'm performing with a band for the first time, and I'm so excited to perform the new songs, to just connect with everyone that's listening to my music, and it's gonna be a great time.
And let's talk about Eurovision. What is the song about, the code? What is the message?
So the code is about my journey that started with realizing that I'm non-binary, so either a man or a woman, and it's basically like a 3-minute theater piece of my story. Yeah.
You made many friends in the Eurovision Song Contest. What about guys from Estonia and from Latvia as well? Do you keep in touch again? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I just called Dons today because I was like, yeah, I'm here. Where are you? And so maybe tomorrow, if the storm doesn't get too crazy, we'll meet for some coffee and catch up. And yeah.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Have a nice night and welcome again and again to Laima Rendezvous. Stay with us on TV3.